RHS, right?
RHS.
So in RHS, what we have?
5x plus 4
5x
into
plus 4
4x.
and 4 minus x whole square. Is there any possibility to get 5x plus 4 now?
C1 plus C2 plus C3.
That's it. So let us apply the same. So go to the solution. Take LHS. LHS is x plus 4, 2x, it is 2x, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 2x, 2x and x plus 4. So now applying C1 changed as C1 plus C2 plus C3. So if you think like that, you will get it at most. Then this is 2x plus 2x, 4x plus x, 5x plus 4. So this is 5x plus 4 and the other one also same, 5x plus 4. And the third element also same, 5x plus 4. C1 only needs to change C1 plus C2 plus C3, right? So C2, C3 remains same. 2x, x plus 4, 2x. This is 2x, 2x, and x plus 4. Right? So go to the next one. So what we have to do the next step?
Taking common 5x plus 4.
That's it, because we need 5x plus 4 only, right side. So you can write taking common. Or else 5x plus 4 taking common from C1. Then we get this result as this is separate. No? So this can be written as 5x plus 4 times of, use the bracket, and 5x plus 4 taken common. So first column elements are, each one is 1. Then it is 2x, x plus 4, 2x, then 2x, 2x, and x plus 4. So what we have to do the next step? When we convert into
R1 minus R2.
yes, ma'am. It is easy to make the values are utmost number of zeros. So to make utmost number of zeros, we should apply applying R1 changed as R1 minus R2, isn't it? So this is 5x plus 4 times of R1 is going to be changed. R1 minus R2. This is 0. 2x minus of x minus 4. So what you'll get it? 2x minus of x plus 4. So the result is 2x minus x minus 4. So it is x minus 4.
X minus 4.
That's it. And the next one, 2x minus 2x is 0. So R1 only changes, R2, R3 remains same. 1 x plus 4, 2x, 1, 2x, and x plus 4. Next. What we have to do now? Next one.
Expand.
Utmost number of zeros. Oh, we got utmost number of zeros, right? So we can expand it now. So still if you want to make this one is 0, it is 1 into it is easy, right? To multiply it. If you make it 0, we can expand along C1, right? Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
here also we can do it, no? X minus 4 into other value you will get it. So simplification, still we can make it as simplification easy. If you write, the next one is, but there also you can do it because utmost number of zeros we got it here is enough. If possible, still we can make it as a simplest form. So let us take R2 changed as R2 minus R3, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So then this result is 5x plus 4 times of R1 remains same 0, x minus 4, and this is also 0. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. Here what we get this result now? This is x plus 4 minus 2x.
Yes.
So yes, x plus 4 minus 2x. So what will get the result?
minus x plus 4.
Minus x plus 4. Write the same. So this is minus x plus 4, and the next value is 2x minus x plus 4. Already we have done. So the result is x minus 4.
X minus
Yes, ma'am. This is 1. This is 2x. This is x plus 4. Next. So it is 5x plus 4 times of. Now we can expand it because utmost number of zeros in first column we got it, right? Now expanding along C1.
C1.
What will get now if we expand it? So this is 5x plus 4 remains same. This is plus minus plus it is. So into 1 time of these two we should multiply. What we get now if we multiply that? These two we have to multiply. Delete this row and column. If you delete this row and column, the remaining values are, this is x minus 4 times of x minus 4 minus
0.
0. 0 into minus x plus 4. So the result is 4x, 5x plus 4 times of, this is x minus 4 whole square. If you multiply this, minus 0. So the result is 5x plus 4 times of x minus 4 whole square. But they asked to prove it 5x plus 4 into right side value. What's the right side
4
value?
minus x the whole
4
square.
minus x whole square. Can we write x minus 4 whole square as 4 minus x whole square? When there is a square or even power, we can write it. Because if you take minus common, what will get it? 4 minus x whole square. Isn't it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
This is 5x plus 4 minus whole square is plus. So the remaining value is 4 minus x whole square. That's it now. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Right. So we'll go to the next one. What shall we do? What you got the idea by seeing that?
R1 plus R2 plus R3, sir.
That's it. R1 plus R2 plus R3, or C1 plus C2 plus C3, whatever it is. If you apply the operation, we should get 3y plus k format. That's it. If you get that idea, you will get the answer easily. So let us start with LHS. So LHS is y plus k, y, this is y, y, y plus k, y, this is y, y, and y plus k. So now applying R1 no? R1 changed as R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then what will get the result? R1 is going to be changed as R1 plus R2 plus R3. So R2 R3 remains the same. So y plus k plus y plus y. So y plus y 2y, 2y plus y 3y. So each element is 3y plus k only. Isn't it now? Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So go to the next one. This is y, y plus k, y. This is y, y and y plus k. So what we have to do next? So taking
3y plus k common from R1.
common from R1. Yes, ma, it's right. So we can take the common. So 3y plus k take common. So the remaining value is 1, 1, 1. And this is y, y plus k, y, 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 y plus k. So now what we have to do it? Try to make the utmost number of zeros. So here we are going to apply applying C2 changed as C2 minus C1. So the result is this is 3y plus k times of what will get it? So C2 is going to be changed. So C1 remains the same. 1 y y. C2 minus C1. This is 0.
0.
Yes.
0,
Y plus k
K
minus
0.
y plus
K
K.
0,
k. Yes, no. This is k and this is 0. Next. What's the next?
1, Y, Y plus K.
Y plus k. C3 remains the same. Here we got at most number of zeros. We can do it. But if there is ones are there, then we'll try to make the other one also 0. Then it is easy to simplify while expanding in multiplication time. If there are no ones, then directly we can expand through C2. Do you understand it? What is it?
Yes, sir.
Right now. So now again applying C3 changed as C3 minus C1. Then the first element 1 remains the same. Here last element we are going to make it as 0. Now this is 3y plus k times of, this is 1 y y, this is 0 k 0, 1 minus 1, this is 0, y minus y is also
0,
y plus k minus y is k only.
K.
K.
Now expand it. So expanding along R1. So the result is this is 3y plus k remains the same into 1 time of next. Delete this row and column. So these two multiplied. K square minus this is 0 square.
0.
It is easy in simplification. That's it. Or else this step is not required. So 3y plus k times of, this is 1 into k square is k square only. So what we have to prove? Right side part.
K square into 3y plus k.
That's it. We got the result. So that equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS, hence proved. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
If you have a doubt, you can ask me. Right. So you think it now. Let us start with LHS. LHS is A minus B minus C, 2A. This is also 2A. This is 2B, B minus C minus A, 2B, 2C, 2C, C minus A minus B. So this one also same. Right side part we need A plus B plus C whole cube. So is it possible to convert the left side part, any row or column, as A plus B?
R1 plus R2 plus R3.
That's it. Very good. So we can apply that. Applying R1 changed as R1 plus R2 plus R3. Just if you find this relation, you can easily get the answer. This is only the easiest way to proceed further. So this is R1. So how do we get this result? This is A minus B minus C plus 2B plus 2C. So here it is, A remains the same, plus 2B minus B is plus B, plus 2C minus C is plus C. This is the way we are going to get this result as A plus B plus C. So here it is 2B, this is 2C. So the next one also same. If you simplify that, you will get this is A plus B plus C. This is B minus C minus A, and it is 2C. Then this is 2A, this is 2B, and C minus A minus B. Is it clear, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Then what we have to do next?
Sir, R3 also A plus B plus C, no?
Which one, ma'am?
Yes, sir. You written 2A.
Yes, ma'am, yes. Thank you. So R3 also, this element is A plus B plus C. Next, what we can do next? Taking
Taking A plus B plus C common.
A plus B plus C common
Common from R1.
from R1. Then we get this result is A plus B plus C times of 1, 2B, 2C. This is 1, B minus C minus A, 2C. Next, this is 1, 2B, C minus A minus B. Next, see, we got 3 ones, right? In the previous questions, if you observe that when we get any row or any column as ones, it is easy to make the utmost number of zeros, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what we have to do now? Applying
Sir, C1 minus C.
yes, no. R2 changed as R2 minus R1.
R3.
R2 minus R1, no? R2 minus R3 also you can do it. So it is easy to get 1 into delete this row and column, right? So this one remains same. So leave it like that. R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1 do it now. So the rest of two ones we can easily make it as zeros, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is A plus B plus C times of 1. This is 2B, 2C. 1 minus 1. R2 is going to change. 0. B minus C minus A plus 2B. Sorry, minus 2B. What will get the result? Here it is B minus C minus A minus 2B. So the answer is minus.
Sir, that means C2 minus C1, sir.
Oh, yes, yes.
You
No.
have written R2 minus
yes.
R1, sir.
Yes, you're absolutely correct. Thank you, ma'am. So C2 changed as C2 minus C1. Right? then this result is minus A, minus B and minus C. So we can write this as minus A, minus B, minus C. And the next one, 2C minus 2C is 0. So the next one, 1, 2B, C minus A minus B. Next. The same way we can apply for the next column also. So the next one is applying C3 changed as C3 minus C1. Isn't it, ma?
Yes, sir.
So this is A plus B plus C times of, this is 1, 2B, 2C. This is 0, minus A, minus B, minus C. This is also 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 2B minus 2B is also 0. C minus A minus B minus 2C. Again we'll get it as minus A minus B minus C. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Next. So here still if you want to write, we can take minus common, A plus B plus C. Here also minus take common, A plus B plus C. Then I now expand it. Expanding along R1. Then we get A plus B plus C remains the same into 1 time of multiply these two. Minus of A plus B plus C into minus of A plus B plus C.
அப்புறம் ஏன் தள்ளு
0 is 0. Please put it in the mute. So this result is A plus B plus C times of minus into minus plus. So A plus B plus C into A plus B plus C is A plus B plus C whole square. Then the result is A plus B plus C whole cube. This is what we have to prove. That equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Right? Do you understand it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.